Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to remove BMW X5 wiper blades. First, ensure your vehicle is safely parked and the ignition is completely off. Gently lift the wiper arm away from the windshield until it locks into a vertical, upright position. This crucial step provides ample space to work comfortably and helps prevent any accidental scratches to your vehicle's glass. Now, look closely at where the wiper blade connects to the arm. You'll typically find a small tab or button on the adapter. Press this tab firmly to release the locking mechanism that holds the blade in place. With the tab pressed, gently slide the entire blade assembly downwards or sideways, depending on your specific BMW X5 model. It should then come off with minimal effort and no struggle. Once the old blade is removed, take a moment to inspect the wiper arm itself. Look for any signs of wear, rust, or damage that might affect the new blade's performance. Make sure the hook or pin where the new blade will attach is clean and free of debris. This ensures a secure and proper fit for your replacement. For optimal visibility and safety, it is highly recommended to replace both front wiper blades at the same time. Always choose high-quality replacement blades designed specifically for your BMW X5 model. After installing the new blades, gently lower the arms and test them with your windshield washer fluid to ensure they operate smoothly and clear the glass effectively.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.